Our current ecosystem is 1,300 plus partners, which means that the numbers itself are not that important. It's more about the quality of our relationship and collaboration efforts. It's more about how do we create joint programs, how do we do the account planning together, how do we co-create together. Well, initially it was all about building the ecosystem itself. We've started with a couple of partnerships, predominantly with mobile network operators, and we built an organization from scratch. So the first 2 years, I would say, was about recruiting partners, following, of course, our ideal partner profile definition. We did our best to build an ecosystem of diverse type of partners, both solution partners but also technology partners. So it was recruitment, right? And it was learning about how do we best engage with these partners and what is the feedback of those partners. How easy is to work with Infobip and what should we improve from the perspective of how do we serve our partners and how do we go to market together, how do we co-create together. In the recent years is perhaps less about the recruitment itself. Our current ecosystem is 1,300 plus partners, which means that the numbers itself are not that important. It's more about the quality of our relationship and collaboration efforts. It's more about how do we create joint programs, how do we do the account planning together, how do we co-create together, how do we do joint product roadmap, how do we enable tools for our partners to transact easier with Infobip. Digital agencies build services around perhaps CX consulting. Combination of solutions for systems integrators plays an important role. All the systems integrators nowadays with AI trends are basically embedding AI into their own IP and into their own solutions. Digital marketing agencies are more and more present into the data world to create an efficient campaigns and personalized campaigns. And these are the touch points that we need to reflect in how do we reward our partners, how do we engage with them, and what do we expect from them. We will be launching the updated Partner Connect program mid of April. And the program will move from incentives and benefits that are tied to revenue to incentives and benefits that are tied to the engagement activities. So we will reward with a point system the partners that engage with Infobip in terms of people that are enabled and certified, their teams that are able and certified, their willingness to create what we call an Infobip Excellence Center, meaning teams within the partner organization that are dedicated partially or fully to Infobip stack, and create joint solutions, being it on a hyperscalers marketplaces or other marketplaces. And these among other things, are going to be criteria for us to incentivize our partners with more benefits. The partner program itself is a framework, of course, but what is equally, if not more important, is the operating model and the systems that are supporting the partner program. Among many other novelties that we are planning to launch with the launch of the updated Partner Connect program mid-April, we are enabling our partners through Partner Portal and other tools to be self-sufficient enough. The partners will be able to not just to register deals, but they will be able to open the accounts, to provision the accounts, to set up the pricing, to use the CPQ elements. They will have AI assistant within our partner portal, so they can really operate in a more easy way with Infobip and transact with Infobip. Infobip's ambition, again, not just in monetary terms, not just in revenue terms, is to create solutions that are vertical specific, that are very bespoke to a specific industry and customer type. And we are aware of the fact that to cover for all those needs, because we operate globally with variety of different customer types, we cannot do it alone, and we need to create that ecosystem and combine what we have with hyperscalers, how do we engage with ISVs, and how do we build solutions with digital agencies and systems integrators.